Hello everyone, this is your teacher Mrs. Zahra Al-Asadi. Please, as usual, feel free to pause and rewind the video as needed. This video, my dear student, is gonna talk about sentence and sentence fragment. So by the end of this video, my students, you're supposed to be able to distinguish between sentence and sentence fragment. Let's start. What is a sentence? This is the most important question that we have to think of. What is a sentence? I'm pretty sure most of you know the answer. Great job. So a sentence usually expresses a complete thought. For example, the students are writing their assignment. So the sentence needs subject that tells you who or what the sentence is about, verb that expresses action, tells you what the subject does, or links the subject to the other important words, and object if the verb is transitive, and complements. Without one of these elements, we're not gonna have a complete sentence. Quick note, my dear students, you have to know that sometimes a sentence may have more than one subject and or more than one verb. So it is not a rule to have only one subject and only one verb in a sentence. So what does a complete sentence look like? Let's check this example. The students are bored. The minute I read a group of words that has a subject, a verb, and gives complete thought, that means I have a complete sentence. The second one, my mom works at the local hospital. I have a subject, a verb, and a complete thought, so this is complete sentence. If complete sentence is group of words that gives complete meaning, so what is a sentence fragment? Let's find out together. A sentence fragment is a group of words that lacks a subject, a verb, or can have a subject and a verb but doesn't express a complete thought. Let's check some examples in order to understand this point more. The children in the garden. The children in the garden. This is missing a verb. So the children in the garden is a sentence fragment. In order to make it a sentence, I have to add the verb. So I say the children are in the garden. Now this is a sentence. And you have to note also, my students, that a sentence always begins with an uppercase. Let's check another example. Eats her lunch. Eats her lunch. This is missing a subject. So in order to have a complete sentence, I have to add a subject in here. For example, the baby girl eats her lunch. Now, yes, this is a sentence. The last example that we're gonna talk about is the boy drinks. The boy drinks. This has a subject, which is the boy, and a verb, which is drinks, but it doesn't express a complete thought. So in this case, I call this sentence fragment. To make this sentence fragment a sentence, I must add an object because the verb drinks is a transitive verb that needs an object to complete the meaning of the sentence. So I say, the boy drinks his milk. That's right. This is a complete sentence. Thank you for watching.